Let's learn how to create a cinematic blur effect for text in Premiere Pro. First, add your text using the text tool and customize the size and color as needed. Then, go to the Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur, and drag it onto the text in the timeline. In the Effect Controls panel, increase the blurriness value to create the initial blur effect. Next, click on the stopwatch icon next to blurriness to enable keyframes. Move a few frames ahead in the timeline and change the blurriness value to 0 to gradually reveal the text. Adjust the timing of the keyframes to control how fast or slow the blur effect occurs. That's it. You've created a cinematic blur effect for your text. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more.